Hello children, I'm just going to show you the symbolic Rangoli of Saraswati. Chalo, let's start. First, you have to mark with the help of the scale. Okay, how big you want, that big you have to take the distance. Here 5 points we are going to mark. Okay, 2 centimeter we are going to mark 5 points. So first line will be 5 point. Okay, then the second one, when you are going to the second one, what you have to do, measure this way first. Okay, and then mark the point. When you are marking the point, these two points are there in between, that this point should come, so that way you have to take the distance outside. So here I'm going to mark points. Now this will be, the second line will be 6 points. We need 6 points. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now again same way, measure here 2 centimeter, mark it in the center of this both point. Then here after third line we are going to mark 5 points. How many? 5 points. Same way 4 points. How many points? 4 points. Use your scale. When you get the practice, then you can directly put the points, but till then you practice with the scale putting the points. The last one will be 2 points. Now first thing we will do, you can draw with the hand. For the practice I am showing with the scale. First I am going to draw the slipping line for all the points. Then from this line I am going to do curve like this, 2. See, this is like a 2 action. Now I am going to join this point to this point, end point, this one, with the help of the scale. Because you are doing for the first time, then you can use your scale, but when you get practice you should do with your hands. Now see, this is point, now this point, the 3 dots, I'm going to take this and I'm going to join till the end. See, 1 2 3, here also 1 2 3. So this point and this point I'm going to join till the end. Here will be second one and this will be the third line. Now 1 2 3, this point we are going to join. See, 1 2 3, this 4.1 triangle will join to the upper portion. Now this side, we are finished with this side slanting line. Okay, now this side, this point will join to the this line, this point will join to the this point and this point. Now after doing this, we are just going to extend this line and curve it. See, this will be the last touch. This way your Saraswati, the symbolic Rangoli Saraswati, is ready. You can color it or you can keep it like that only. So let's see how it look when it color. After coloring, it will look like this. You can choose your own color and complete your drawing in drawing book. Click your photo and send to me. Till then, happy Diwali. Take care. Safe Deepavali.